Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Connecting your PS5 to any Bluetooth soundbar is finally possible in 2025. Sony's latest update has unlocked direct soundbar pairing, meaning you no longer need any external dongles or complex workarounds. This new native support lets you enjoy truly immersive game audio and a much cleaner entertainment setup. Get ready to experience your favorite titles with crystal clear sound, all wirelessly, directly from your console. It's an exciting time for PlayStation gamers who value both simplicity and high-quality audio. Before we dive into the steps, a quick checklist ensures a smooth connection. First, verify your PS5 system software is updated to version 9.00 or higher. This is crucial for the new Bluetooth functionality. Next, make sure your soundbar is charged or plugged into power and actively ready for pairing mode. It's also a good idea to clear any previous Bluetooth connections from your soundbar, giving us a completely fresh slate for your PlayStation 5. Now, let's get into the PlayStation 5 menu. From your PS5 home screen, simply navigate to and select the familiar settings icon in the top right corner. Once inside the settings menu, scroll down until you find and choose the sound option. This dedicated section is where all your audio adjustments reside. Finally, select audio output to specifically manage where your game sound will be directed, setting the stage for our soundbar connection. This is where the magic happens. First, put your soundbar into Bluetooth pairing mode. Usually this involves pressing a dedicated button on the soundbar itself. Back on your PS5, within the audio output section, select Bluetooth devices. Your PlayStation 5 will then scan for available devices, and your soundbar should appear in the list shortly. Once it pops up, simply select your soundbar's name, and the PS5 will establish the connection. It's that straightforward. With your soundbar connected, it's time for the final check. Start any game or app on your PlayStation 5 to confirm the audio is now playing through your soundbar. You can then adjust the volume levels either directly on your soundbar or through the PS5 quick menu for audio. This simple connection truly transforms your gaming experience, delivering rich, immersive sound without any annoying cables. Get ready to dive deeper into your favorite virtual worlds, enjoying every detail with crystal clear audio.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.